We'll guide you through how to remove the lock screen on Android. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So if I go and turn my phone off by pressing this side button or go and lock it, then I press it again, we're now on the lock screen, and you may want to go and remove it, as it can be sort of an inconvenience to have to then go and swipe up and go and enter in your lock method or your screen lock type. So this is the PIN, you may have a password, a pattern, and so what we can do is we can go and remove all of this. And so when you go and press that button, you're immediately taken to the homepage. Do just consider the downsides of doing this. So the main thing being is that your phone will not have any security on it. So anybody could pick up your phone, press this button and be on it. They can then access your calls, your messages, your photos, your apps you have, social media. So there's quite a few things you should consider. But if you just use this phone as a phone, don't have anything personal on here, I can see why you may want to consider it. But do just consider that it's not going to have any security on. So then what you can do is you can go and swipe up, and you need to go and find the option for settings, and you want to go and head here. And then in settings, what you can do is you can go and scroll down, and you want to go and find the option for a lock screen, as you can see. Now, what you can consider here is using something called extend unlock. So you can tap on it, enter in your current PIN, password or pattern. And what this will do here is we'll go and keep your iPhone unlocked when it's with you. So it can go and recognize when you're holding the device, you're near home or another trusted place, or if you have your watch or another trusted device nearby. This can be a great alternative because you're removing it for when it's with you, and when it's not, it's then got the lock on. So that is something you could consider. But if you aren't interested in this and you want to go and completely remove it, you can go and press screen lock type at the top. And then what you need to do is go and enter in your current PIN, password or pattern. So I'll go and enter mine in now. Then you're going to go and see the different methods. You've got password, pattern, swipe, and then at the bottom, you've got the option for none, like so. So you can then select that there. And so now if we come out of here, just go and turn it off now because there's no lock. You press the side button, then you go and press it again. You go and see we're now straight onto the home screen. No lock screen is now gone, and that's it. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future. If you have any suggestions, feel free to put them down below. I'll go and check them out and see if there's any content we can go and make with them. I look forward to help you again in the next how-to. Goodbye for now.